Yes, good morning. Very good morning, Mama. About the binomial quotients properties, and we completed properties and some theorems and some problems we completed. Now coming to exercise 3.2. First problem, you can observe this 2, 5, 8 and so on. These all are 2, 5, 8 and so on. Means 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 5, 3. The common difference is same. So these all terms are in AP. That means the quotients of the binomial quotients are in AP. Then we had one formula A C naught plus A plus D into C1 plus A plus 2D into C2 plus and so on A plus ND into Cn equal to, we had 2A plus ND into 2 power n minus 1. So C naught quotient is A. So A is 2, A plus D value is 5, 2 plus D value is 5, that implies D equal to 5 minus 2, 3. And then therefore 2 times of C naught plus 5 times of C1 plus 8 times of C2 plus and so on. 3n plus 2 into Cn equal to 2a plus nd into 2 power n minus 1. So the 2 into a, 2 into 2 plus n into d value is 3 into 2 power n minus 1, that equal to 3n plus 4 into 2 power n minus 1 is the value. You have to use this formula, we get the answer. One more method also we have, but you can follow one method. Copy the problem. Coming to this problem also same. 2, 7, 12 and so on, 5n plus 2 are in AP. A value is the first term 2, A plus D is the 7, 2 plus D equal to 7, D equal to 7 minus 2, 5. Then the formula 2 times of C naught plus 7 times of C1 plus 2 times of C2 plus and so on, 5n plus 2 dot Cn equal to 2a plus nd into 2 power n minus 1. So 2a, 2 into 2 plus n into d value is 5, 2 power n minus 1, that equal to 5n plus 4 into 2 power n minus 1. That is the answer. Copy the problem. Otherwise, second method you have. Second method means the total for 2 times of C naught plus 7 times of C1 plus 12 times of C2 plus and so on, 5n plus 2 into Cn can be written as sigma r equal to 0 to up to from 0 to n. In place of n you can take the r. In the nth term, in place of n you have to take the r. Pi r plus 2 into Cr. Split the bracket, opening the bracket, sigma r equal to 0 to n. Pi is constant, take outside. R into Cr plus 2 is constant, take outside. R equal to 0 to n Cr. We had the formula R into Cr formula is n into 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 times of sum of the binomial quotient we have 2 power n. So that is equal to 5n into 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n can be added 2 into 2 power n minus 1. Now 2 power n minus 1 common, 5n plus 4 into 2 power n minus 1. This is the second method. You can follow any one of the method. Okay, copy that. Coming to third problem, alternately you have plus or minus is there. Alternate plus minus means obviously 0 will get. So you can see the problem. I will to now check the 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 quotients of the binomial quotient means 1 comma 4 comma 7 comma 10. These are 4 minus 1 3, 7 minus 1 3, 10 minus 1 3. So are in AP. So nth term or rth term equal to A plus R minus 1 into D. That is A is 1, R minus 1 into D is 4 minus 1 3. So 1 plus 3R minus 3, that equal to 3R minus 2. R equal to 3R minus 2, that is the rth term. Now you are finding the R plus term, nth term you have to find. So otherwise you can go one more procedure. Better you can go second method. This is in the form of A value is 1. D equal to 4 minus 1 3. We had the formula A C naught minus A plus D into C1 plus A plus 2D into C2 minus A plus 3D into C3 plus and so on A plus ND into Cn minus 1 whole power n into A plus ND into Cn. Value is 0. So this is in the form of this form directly can put to 0, that we get the answer directly. Otherwise you can go for the C0 minus 4 into C1 plus 7 into C2 minus 10 into C3 plus and so on. Obviously plus minus 1 whole power n. A value 1 plus ND means 3D, 3n into Cn value is 0. Otherwise you can go second method. You have to find the R plus 1th term. It means A plus R plus 1 minus 1 into D. That is A plus A means 1 plus R plus 1 minus 1 into D means 3. So 1 plus 1 get cancelled, 3R. So 3R plus 1. Then this can be written as C0 minus 4 into C1 plus 7 into C2 minus 10 into C3 plus and so on can be written as minus 1 sigma R equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power R into 3R plus 1 into CR. With the opening the bracket, so 3 take out say sigma R equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power R into CR plus sigma R equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power R into CR. Obviously this value is 0, this total part is 0 plus this value is also 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. You can go for any one of the method, either formula method or second method. Binomial theorem you are not finding nth term. Since the sum of n plus 1 terms you are finding. You are finding the sum of n plus 1 terms. So you are finding, so don't take the rth term. You have to take the r plus 1th term. You have to take the r plus 1th term, you have to take it. Nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. In place of n you have r plus 1. That is the reason r plus 1 is substituted. Copy the problem. Coming to next SAQ second one. You have to observe this is a C0 plus C1 into this is a C1, C2, this is a C3. C1 into 2 plus C2 into 2 square plus C3 into 2 cube plus and so on Cn into 2 power n. You have to prove this one equal to 3 power n. We know that 1 plus x whole power n is C0 plus C1x plus C2x square C3x cube plus and so on Cn x power n. That means the quotients of the binomial quotients are in GP. The quotients of the binomial quotients are in GP. Multiple of 2 is varying. 2, 2 square, 2 cube like that 2 power n. So that is the reason you are taking this expansion. In this case also the quotients of the binomial quotients are in GP x1, x square, x cube up to and so on x power n. Put x equal to, in place of x you have 2 is there, so put x equal to 2. X equal to means 1 plus 2 whole power n. equal to C naught plus C1 into 2 plus C2 into 2 square, C3 into 2 cube plus and so on, Cn into 2 power n. 1 plus 2 is 3 power n equal to C naught plus 2 times of C1 plus 4 times of C2 plus 8 times of C3 plus and so on, 2 power n into Cn. This is the answer. Coming to this problem, you can multiply by 3 on both sides. You have to multiply by 3 on both sides. We get 3 times of C naught plus 3 into 2, 6 times of C1 plus 3 4 is 12 times of C2, 24 times of C3 and so on, 3 times of 2 power into Cn. We get third bit. LHS you have to consider 1 plus x whole power n. We know that same solution, Nana. C naught plus C1x plus C2x square and so on, Cn x power n. Put x equal to 2. We get 1 plus 2 whole power n equal to C naught plus C1 into 2 plus C2 into 2 square plus and so on, Cn into 2 power n. That is 3 power n equal to C naught plus 2 times of C1 plus 4 times of C3 plus and so on, 2 power n into Cn. Multiply by 3 on both sides. So 3 into 3 power n equal to 3 times of C naught, 3 2s are 6 times of C1, 3 4s are 12 times of C2 plus and so on, 3 times of 2 power n into Cn. A power m into A power n, A power n plus n. 3 power n plus 1 equal to 3 times of C naught plus 6 times of C1 plus 12 times of C2 plus and so on, 3 into 2 power n into Cn. This based on objective problems also you have. So IPE means in the intermediate syllabus you have to practice properly. We get objective. If you will not practice the intermediate syllabus, you will not get the objective. Okay, copy the problem. You have to copy both problems. See the problem, LAQ first one. 2 square times of C naught plus 3 square times of C1 plus 4 square times of C2 plus and so on, n plus 2 whole square times of Cn. I will write in the sigma notation, sigma r equal to from the 0 to n. Suffix number you have to observe. Suffix number 0, C naught, C1, C2 up to Cn. R equal to 0 to n. In the n plus 1 term, in place of n, you can put the r. R plus 2 whole square into Cn. If you take r equal to 0, 2 square into C naught. If you take r equal to 1, 1 plus 2, 3 square into C1. If you take r equal to 2, 2 plus 2, 4 square into C2. Like that we will get. Expand that r plus 2 whole square, you have to expand. So this is the sigma r equal to 0 to n, r square plus 4r plus 4 into Cr. Separate now sigma r equal to 0 to n, r square into Cr. 4 take out, say sigma r equal to 0 to n, r into Cr plus 4 times of sigma r equal to 0 to n, Cr. We have the formula sum of the binomial quotients. Sum of the binomial quotient is 2 power n. Sigma r into Cr, sum of the r into Cr is n into 2 power n minus 1. Sigma r into r square into Cr you have n into n plus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. These three formulas you can substitute here. Now coming to sigma r square into Cr is n into n plus 1 into 2 power n minus 2 plus 4 times of sigma r into Cr value is n into 2 power n minus 1 plus 4 times of sigma r equal to 0 to n, Cr value is 2 power n. Now coming to right side you have 2 power n minus 2. So this is the n square plus n into 2 power n minus 2 plus 4n into 2 power n minus 1 can be as 2 into 2 power n minus 2. This 2 power n you have to write 2 square into 2 power n minus 2. Now from the three terms you have to take common 2 power n minus 2. 2 power n minus 2 will be taken outside, remaining n square plus n, 4 into 2 8n, 2 square is 4, 4 into 4 16. So this is the 2 power n minus 2 into n square plus 9n plus 16. Copy that problem. Coming to this problem, whenever given, true false is there, I will explain with using the formula, without using the formula. We had one formula, I have C0 plus C1x by 2 plus C2 x square by 3, C3 x cube by 4 plus and so on, Cn x power n by n plus 1. You proved already 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. Put x equal to 1, we get C0 plus C1 by 2 plus C2 by 3 plus C3 by 4 plus and so on, Cn by n plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1 whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into 1. That we get C0 plus C1 by 2 plus C2 by 3 plus C3 by 4 plus and so on, Cn by n plus 1 equal to 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by, means 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 will get. That is the problem. Now you can observe this is the only suffix odd binomial quotient you have. Next you put x equal to minus 1, we get one more equation. That equation x equal to minus 1 equation you have to subtract both, we get this answer. Coming to, we know this theorem, by using this theorem I will go. In case in board day of intermediate examination, in public examination they will give the 7 marks, you have to prove first this condition. In case if it is given 7 marks means you have to prove first this theorem as, first you have to prove this theorem, then only you can substitute the values. Now coming to that, we know that C0 plus C1 into x by 2 plus C2 into x square by 3 plus C3 into x cube by 4 plus and so on, Cn into x power n by n plus 1 equal to 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into x. Equation called 1. Put x equal to 1. In 1 we get C0 plus C1 by 2 plus C2 by 3 plus C3 by 4 plus and so on, Cn by n plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into 1. Right, 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 is called the 2. This is the problem second bit solution. Second bit solution is one. In case second bit has a 7 marks means you have to prove this condition first. Then only put x equal to 1. If it is given first bit means again put x equal to minus 1 in equation 1. We get C0 plus C1 into minus 1 by 2 minus C1 by 2, C2 into minus 1 whole square is C2 by 3, C3 minus C3 by 4 plus and so on. Leave it the last term, 1 minus 1 whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into minus 1. This is a minus 1 by minus of n plus 1, that equal to 1 by n plus 1 is the third equation. Now you can do this equation 2 minus 3. 2 implies C0 plus C1 by 2 plus C2 by 3 plus C3 by 4 plus and so on equal to 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. Third equation have C0 minus C1 by 2 plus C2 by 3 minus C3 by 4 plus and so on equal to 1 by n plus 1. We are subtracting now, then minus change to plus change to minus change to plus minus we get. C0 cancel, C2 by 3 cancel. We get 2 times of C1 by 2 plus C3 by 4 plus and so on equal to 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. Right side you can take the LCM n plus 1. 2 power n plus 1 you have to write 2 power n into 2 minus 1 minus 1. So 2 times of C1 by 2 plus C3 by 4 plus and so on. Minus 1 is minus 2. 2 power n into 2 minus 2 by n plus 1. 2 numerator 2 common right side. 2 power minus 1 by n plus 1. Now 2 to get cancelled. We get C1 C3 by 4 plus and so on equal to 2 power n minus 1 by n plus 1. Copy that problem. Coming to next problem. Product of two binomial quotients. Product of two binomial quotient means we know that one theorem we have. C0 into CR plus C1 into CR plus 1 plus C2 into CR plus 2 plus and so on. Cn minus R into Cn equal to 2nC n minus R or 2nC n plus R. Both are same. Now in place of R you have 3 is there. Put R equal to 3. We get C0 into C3 plus C1 into C3 plus 1 means C4. C2 into 3 plus 2 means 5. Plus and so on. Cn minus 3 into Cn equal to 2nC n plus 3. In place of R, put R equal to 3. We get the answer. In case if it is given 2 mass means you can write the formula, substitute directly value. In case if it is given 7 mass means you have to prove this condition. C0 into CR plus C1 into CR plus 1, C2 into CR plus 2 plus and so on. Cn minus R into Cn equal to 2nC n plus R. For objective point of view, you have to remember the every properties up to 6th YouTube video, 7th YouTube video and 5th YouTube video, 4th YouTube video. You have to remember as the formulas. You should remember as a formula, then only you can get the problems. Otherwise, you will not get the problems. Even objective point of view also. Copy the solution. We proved one theorem. C0 square minus C1 square plus C2 square minus C3 square plus and so on. Cn square equal to minus 1 whole power n by 2 into NC n by 2 when n is even case. Now 2n is even, so you can apply the formula, otherwise you have to go through the procedure. You can go through procedure. We know that 1 plus x whole power 2n. We know that 1 plus x whole power 2n is 2n C0 plus 2n C1x plus 2n C2 x square plus 2n C3 x cube plus and so on. 2n C2n x power 2n. I will consider now x minus 1 whole power 2n. Between minus, so we get alternately you can take plus and minus. 2n C0 minus 2n C1x plus 2n C2 x square minus 2n C3 x cube plus and so on. N is even, so plus will get 2n C2n x power 2n minus 2n means x power 0 is 1. Now you have to consider product of the both. 1 plus x whole power 2n into x minus 1 whole power 2n, that is 2n C0 plus 2n C1 x first expansion, 2n C2 x square plus 2n C3 x cube plus and so on. 2n C2n x power 2n into second expansion you have 2n C0 x power 2n minus 2n C1 into x power 2n minus 1 plus 2n C2 into x power 2n minus 2 plus 2n minus 2n C3 into x power 2n minus 3, sorry here 2n minus 1 x power 2n minus 1 2n minus 2 2n minus 3, so and so on. 2n c 2n. Now you want 2n c naught into 2n c naught, so 2n c naught whole square. Left side 1 plus x or x plus 1 both are same, so this becomes x square minus 1 whole power 2n equal to 2n c naught plus 2n c 1x plus 2n c 2 x square plus 2n c 3 x cube plus and so on 2n c 2n